citizens of Xville. Together we've gathered here under the night sky, drawn by the poles, the rhythm and the music. For years, we've danced as one, but now we are taking it to the next level. Close your eyes and let your mind dissolve. We'll take you on a journey beyond the stars, through realms unseen, into the spiral of sound and color. The energy shifts. Follow the frequency and unlock the gateway within. From the depths of uncertainty, let us guide you every step of your way. And when you fall apart, this music becomes your lifeline.
Won't you guide me every step along the way? 'Cause it blinds me every second of the day. When I fall apart, your lifeline. 'Cause without your spark, I'll run away. When my fire starts to fade and my heart begins to break, will
dance and party. Let's live our lives. All the people gather around. We'll raise our hands. Feel the pace. Hear the sound. Volume X.
Let's unite, let the music be our guide. With every beat, we feel alive. Volume X, let's survive.
Volume X.
Let's survive.
Volume X.
Let's survive.
Volume X.
Let's survive.
Distant, my mind gon' play. But even if the lonely nights stay here and keep me awake, we're broken souls. We pretend that everything is alright. We can't let go. We thought we'd cross the line. Oh my life, you make me feel like I'm somebody. When you know that I'm the one, this is more than feelings to me. Hold on tight. I'm so afraid that I'd be lonely. Without you there is no one, so I'll hold on
For 4 years, we've grown together through sound, sweat, and unity. Every drop, every light, every moment carried by your energy, your support, your love. This isn't just a gathering. It's a legacy we are building together. But above all, always remember, come for the music and stay for the memories.
Forget the world outside, let it all go. We came for the music, we came for the show. The bass, the crowd, the lights so bright. While the sun sets, united in the light. Time to bring the heat, time to bring the fire. The hardest of music is what we desire. Following the sounds coming right out of the decks. This is who we are, Volume X. Bring the fire, the hardest of music is what we desire. Following the sounds coming right out of the decks. This is who we are, Volume X.
The rise. You've felt the power. Together, we became the heartbeat of Xville. But remember, this isn't the end. The lights may fade, but the memory stays. Keep dancing. Keep dreaming, and above all, enjoy the rest of the night. Xville, this story is yours to write.